Man, you can't beat that sizzle. Beef right over fire. Something special about it. Do y'all know what these are? Beef short ribs cut flanken style. That just means across those rib bones, y'all. They're absolutely delicious. What's great about them is you can season them up any kind of way you like. Today, I'm tossing them in an easy little Greek marinade. They're gonna hang out in the refrigerator, soak up some of that flavor, and we're gonna burn and turn them over some hot coals until that fat starts to render, melt, and just gets all happy and delicious. Let's get to cooking. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get some seasoning on these flanken short ribs. We're just gonna spread them out here on a little cutting board. But before we put the marinade together, I like to get some seasoning and let it start sweating in on them. I picked these dudes up at Sam's. You can find them at grocery stores. So the first thing I'm gonna hit them with, a little salt, pepper, garlic action. That's my AP seasoning. I just like to get some flavor on them, and that salt and pepper starts working its way into that meat, bringing some of that moisture out, taking some of that flavor in. The next thing I'm gonna hit them with is a little bit of my Hero Greek seasoning. This has got a little spice to it. It's got a little jalapeno kick. Just something to make a Greek season interesting. All I'm gonna do is flip these dudes over and hit the backside because we want our food to taste good on both sides. And I'm just gonna leave them stacked up here on the cutting board. They need about 30 minutes. I just want them to start sweating a little bit, but let's go ahead and throw the marinade together that I'm using. I'm gonna start with a little bit of parsley in a bowl. I'm gonna squeeze in some lemon. To round that out, I'm gonna add a little bit of honey just to sweeten it up a little bit. This honey was talking back to me. Then I've got some squeezy garlic. So I'm using that same Hero spicy Greek seasoning. Give us those flavors. And I'm shaking in a good, probably 2 tablespoons. I'm just eyeballing it. And then we need some red wine vinegar. I'm just eyeballing it, but it's probably gonna be about 3/4 of a cup. Let's just start mixing this up a little bit, getting those things incorporated. And I put in about a 1/2 cup of olive oil there. Just drizzled it in, kind of whisk it as I go. I'm gonna give it a little taste. Oh yeah. Sweet, balances out the acidity. It's got the herbs, garlic, parsley. It's gonna be an excellent marinade. Now I've got a big Ziploc bag. This is one of those 2.5 gallon ones. Just want something big enough to hold the meat, get that marinade all around it. And we're gonna drop these little seasoned short ribs down in our bag. This is our marinade vessel. Take that marinade and pour it all over. And you wanna get them really good and coated because that's where you're gonna get your flavor. We got that acidity breaking that meat down, making it tender. All the other ingredients are just working on flavor on the outside. All we gotta do is let them sit in the refrigerator for about an hour. So let's fire up the grill. First, I'm gonna start with some Royal Oak briquettes with the hickory infused pellets so we get a little extra wood flavor. I'm just gonna pour them in a chimney here. Grab a couple tumbleweeds. And we're just gonna set the chimney right over the top. After about 17 minutes, we're gonna dump these coals, and y'all, I'm setting them up as a 2-zone fire. Whenever I'm burning and turning, I like to have me a hot side and a cool side. I'm just gonna grab my grate, set it on. We're gonna put the lid right on top. I like to orient the exhaust vent on the opposite side of those hot coals. That way I kind of get this draft going across this Weber. Leave that top 100% open, the bottom's 100% open. That way we got good air, we're gonna have good hot coals. Be ready to burn and turn in just a few minutes this grill gets hot. Now while that grill's heating up, I wanna make a little basting sauce. And what I've got is a couple sticks of butter just zapped in the microwave. To that, I'm gonna add some of that same Hero that we seasoned these short ribs with. Need about a tablespoon. Then we're gonna squeeze in some more of that fresh lemon. And then I like to add just a little bit of parsley to it. I'm just gonna stir this up. I'm gonna baste these short ribs as they're grilling. So I grabbed those short ribs out of the refrigerator. We're gonna take them out and put them on the sheet pan here. But look, they've got all that flavor. Man, they smell good right out the pack. But that marinade just soaks in, starts tenderizing them. Our grill's getting hot. It's running about 550 degrees. Got a cool side, got a hot side. We're gonna work in batches on these short ribs. So let's just take them, lay them right over those coals. Y'all, as this fat starts rendering, it's going to blaze up a little on us. That's okay. I want that char action. So I'm going to stay right here with them. I ain't going too far. We're going to go a couple minutes on one side, flip them over, another couple minutes, and then just keep burning and turning until I get that charry look I like. Flame up, baby. That's what I want to see. Now I'm going to take this little butter concoction, this baste. We're just going to put a little bit on them. And then I'm going to grab that Hero and give them a little dust. Man, you talk about bringing the crowd in. See, that's why you want the 2-zone, because if it gets away from you, you know what you do? You just slide it over a little bit. Let that fire die down some. And once I get them good and seared the way I like them, I just take them and move them over to the cool side. They're still cooking a little bit. We're still plenty of hot. We're ready for the next batch. Look at that sizzle, man. I'm gonna knock the rest of these out, but we're doing the same thing. Burn and turn them, baste them as we go, hit them with a little more seasoning, and just cook them till they're charred, nice and crisp. Now I'm gonna put the lid on it, and I'm gonna tone it back just a knock. kill those flames, and they only need just a few minutes sitting right here on the cool side, letting that heat just get them nice and warm and finish them out. And just after about 5 minutes, I'm gonna take these short ribs off. We're just gonna stack them up on a pan here. Now, let's go to the cutting board. After a very short rest, I gotta try these short ribs, y'all. I'm gonna grab this piece right here. Look at that. That's one the bone came off of, but it's all charred to perfection. Feels really moist and tender. It's the best part of a little fatty steak that gets charred. That's what these taste like. Don't sleep on these beef short ribs, cut flanken style, y'all. They're that delicious.